Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about Multi Edge Flange. Left side you can see the component, right side the flat pattern. So this is the component. And this is the flat pattern. So let's start now. I've taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, select polygon. So we have to take 4 sides to form the square, and select this line, make it horizontal, and this is 100, and go to sheet metal tab, select base flange, and thickness I have taken 1 mm and K factor as 0.45. So now I am going to modify this. Select chamfer, and this is 20, see here, and say OK. So this is how it looks like. Now select the edge flange. So select all the edges, that is multi edges, and flange position we have to select bend outside, and flange height is 28, and say OK. See here, see here we can modify each sketch, and we can assign dimension to each flange. This is 29, 28. So this is how we constrain. See, first sketch is constrained, so we can do all the rest of the sketches. So next I am going to apply these top flanges. So select this edge flange and select all the edges. And here we have to select the flange position as bend outside, and say OK. See here we don't have to modify these flanges. The side flanges, the smaller one, we need to modify. So I am going to select one by one. See here, I am going to modify this sketch. Here what we have to do is initially we have to dimension this. So this value is 14. So we have to remember this value. We have to assign 14 to all the flanges. So select this and remove vertical, and this remove vertical. Now move little bit. This is 135. And this is 135, and say OK. See here. So similarly we have to modify the other sketches. Here. Now we have to adjust this height. So this is also important. So we have to see this and we have to modify according to that. So this is 19 and say OK. See, you can see the difference. So initially we have these kind of flanges. There is a huge gap between these two edges, and here we can see this. There is a uniformity in this all the edges. See here. So this is how it forms. So finally this component looks like this after creating the complete modification. Now I am going to show you the flat pattern. See, this is the flat pattern. So this is how we create these kind of components with multiple edge flanges. Thanks for watching. For more videos on SolidWorks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.